Here we are right in front giving a complete coverage, me and Remus, that's Xavier and Remus, covering the entire Seaview beach with a section 144, and the cops have not allowed anyone to come towards the streets of Seaview. Here we are at top of a building, giving you a coverage of the high gales, winds, a heavy coming of the storm PHET. Alright, as you can see, the dark clouds, heavy rainy clouds. You can see the clouds coming, spinning around, heavy clouds moving right towards the storm as it pulls it and gains strength time after time. It's 3:53, ladies and gentlemen, and we are here reporting to you of the storm. The prediction of the storm, of what time it will hit, is not certain. As you can see, heavy waves. Alright, now coming towards the left hand side, you can see the CDGK Park with a lot of tight security as officials drive people away from the sea beach. As you can see, checkposts made of officials all around the area, blockades, and even arrangements for getting and evacuating the area as soon as possible. Driving towards the far ends of this beach, you can see that the water is coming higher and higher as we speak. Ladies and gentlemen, Xavier and Remus reporting to you on the weather of live storm in Karachi, Seaview. Thank you.